Booking a studio for a passport photo costs money and takes time, when your phone can do it in 2 minutes. In this video, I will show you exactly how to take a passport photo at home that actually gets accepted, step by step, and then crop it for free. No app, no sign up. Step 1. Lighting. Stand facing a window in soft, even daylight. The light should hit your face evenly, with no harsh shadow on one side and nothing dark behind your head. Avoid overhead lights and direct sun, which create shadows that get photos rejected. Step 2. The background. Stand about half a meter in front of a plain white or off-white wall. That gap stops your own shadow from falling on the wall behind you. No posters, no doors, no texture, just a clean, light wall. Step 3. The camera. Use the rear camera, not the selfie camera, because the front lens distorts your face. Hold the phone at eye level, about an arm's length away. Best of all, ask someone to take it, or prop the phone up and use the timer. Step 4. Your face. Look straight at the lens with a relaxed, neutral expression and your mouth closed. Both eyes open, no glasses, no hat or head covering, unless it is worn for religious reasons. Keep your shoulders square and your head straight. Step 5. Crop and set the background. Your raw photo is not the final size yet. Open a free tool like IDPhotoSnap in your browser. It crops the photo to the exact country size and sets a true white background without ever editing your face. Export the portal-ready file and you are done. That is it. One window, a white wall, the rear camera, and a free crop. Your photo stays on your device the whole time, and it meets the 2026 rules because nothing about your face is altered. Link is in the description. Good luck!